What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm sure I made the thumbnail of this video something lame like green on St. Patrick's Day. I'm sure like hundreds of other YouTubers have done, but happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's see if we were green today. You are going to see a couple of live trades in this video that we took on SPY, trading our new strategy that we are trading there. And then at the end of the video, as always, we plug the trades into TraderView to show you how we've done over the last, now this is the 14th trading day we have traded the strategy, so you'll get to see that at the end of the video as well. Hopefully you're excited. If you are, hit like. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. Let's get into the live trades. Yeah, I don't love the idea of buying right out of open like this, but if it buys, I buy. It did. Okay, I'm in here. We are long the S&P at, it's not showing my trades, but we are long at 433.69. Oh, why are you not showing trades? It's turned on. Well, whatever. You can see the position here. I don't know why. I have show trades turned on, but if you guys use Thinkorswim, you know how wonky that can be sometimes. Dumped into here immediately a little bit. Yeah, it's a little scary buying, because it's looking, so what the strategy is doing is looking for the low break of 8 bars back. And since it is below where it was 8 bars ago, it's longing. It's a little scary because it's not 8 bars back today. But the strategy takes this trade, and I've shown you guys the strategy P&L graph multiple times. So we take this trade, right? This feels like you have a little bit less validation using yesterday's bars, but see what happens. We will see. We're also looking, today we are looking 8 bars back too, so we're currently looking all the way like up here, and it's going to get higher too. I think we're looking like it's around this bar right now to sell. And in a couple minutes, that's going to get higher and higher. All right, we're back to green in this trade. Sorry, I do apologize that it's not physically showing my trade on the chart. I know that makes it easy to look at, but you can see the position here, 433.69. You can see my P&L and stuff moving here. Nice push. High a day for SPY. Just pushed high a day. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. We're not looking to sell yet, though. Still not looking to sell until up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this bar. This bar is our sell bar. See what kind of push we can get here. Well, if it keeps pushing, let's see. The thing about trades like this is it does give you opportunity to make big money, right? I mean, if SPY can get going here, these are the kind of trades this strategy will actually hold on to for a little bit longer to give you those potential $100 single trades, right? There you go, pushing. Still not really that close to taking profits yet either. How do I turn off the message that alerts me about PDT rule in TOS? I have no idea. It should just do it. I know you just got to 25K and just converted. I remember when that happened for me. It's weird for a couple of days. TOS just is like, while it's like adjusting your accounts over to margin, you're just gonna see some weird stuff for a couple of days. I think eventually it just fixes itself. I think eventually it just kind of goes away. All right, we are currently looking up here. We're still long in this position. Long from the second minute of market open, and we are up. We're up $35 there for a second. Once you make your goal, downsize to cover profits. I don't know. I like the idea of doing whatever the strategy does, right? Uh-oh. Rolling a little bit. Once we get 8 minutes into market open, and the sell bar is going to come down here, right? Where we're currently, it's currently 9:35, about to go to 9:36. So in 2 minutes, if we're not up here, which, I doubt we're going to be, the sell bar is going to come all the way down here, and we're going to be a lot closer to looking to sell this, right? Yeah, taking trades based off of yesterday's bars it's a little sketch, but once again, strat does it, we do it because we know how the strat performs. I like working 6 minutes a day. You took Indo out of open and made your money? Nice. Yeah, that's sick, man. That's the allure of day trading, right? You hit that one trade, hit your profit target on the day, and you're good to go. Now you can log off, go do whatever you want, enjoy the rest of your day. That's the allure, isn't it? That's the idea everybody wants to have when they start day trading. That's sick. Congrats, man. Congrats. Good, wonderful morning from snowy Colorado. Snowy. It was 70 here in Virginia yesterday. Well, I think it was 60 yesterday, 70 the day before. Okay, this is minute 7, so we're actually right now looking all the way up here. So most likely we will not be exiting this bar. But after this bar, the sell comes all the way down here, right? So like I've been saying, once we get 8 minutes into market open, the sell is going to come a lot closer. We'll stop using yesterday's bars. It did snow here in Virginia this weekend, though. It was like 60 all week, and then it snowed on Saturday. And then it went back to being 60. It was... Welcome to Virginia. Blue Dream, thanks for the follow here on Twitch. I appreciate you, my friends. Ooh, it's a nice push. Okay, so now... In 6 seconds, this bar closes. If it closes up here, we will be selling the next bar. Yep, we will be selling the close of this bar. Wherever this bar closes, we're out of the trade. Because this bar broke the high of 8 bars back. It broke this high. So we will be selling the close of this bar. The strategy. Nice, nice, nice. Currently, I mean, basically, we've gone through all of this. It's kind of a long hold, I know, but it's currently pretty much a break-even trade. We'll see what happens. There's still 30 seconds left in this bar. There you go. There you go. I'm actually going to take 35 here. I'm taking 35 off into this pump. Since I know this bar, since I know we're selling the close of this bar, and that's in 20 seconds, I just took 35 there into the push. I know, I'm sorry it's not showing my trades. I can't make TOS work, but 5 seconds, we're out completely. Right. First trade of the day, we're up $32, $31.98. Nice, nice, nice. I'll take it. If I change the chart real quick, will it start showing my trades? Sometimes that works. Ah, there it goes. That did work. Sometimes if you just change the chart, it starts showing your trades. So there's the trade. Actually on the chart, if you care. SPY short it. No, thank you. Longer than you can be. Not saying it won't go down. I mean, this trade could not work, right? But you always take the strategy. Long. We're long the S&P at 434.97. If it comes over this green line, it's a sell. We're pretty close already to the sell point. It's tightened up here over the last 8 bars. It's quite tightened up, so... As you can see, the buy and the sell are really close to each other right now. Let's see. Good immediate push. We're up 12 bucks. It's got to get over this green line to trigger sell, though. Print over green line and then sell, close a candle. Close. Close, but no cigar yet. 20 seconds left in this candle. Okay, this is now a sell bar. In 10 seconds, the bar closes. So much for that SPY short idea, huh? Stick to the strat. Trade the strategy. All right, we're out here. Nice. I'll take it. Little something, something. I think we made roughly 20 in that trade. I think we made 22, actually. I think we were up 32 before that trade. About a $22 win, right? I'll take it. We're up 54 now on the day. 2 trades in, both green, up 54 bucks. Not too shabby. So put that code at the top and then put and good time or end of day. So and good time on your entrances and or end of day on your exits. And it won't hold overnight. I love how dead simple it is. Yeah. It's a, what? I think there's 19 lines of code. I think I looked earlier. It's like 19 lines of code. And it's a strategy that has made me a much more profitable trader than I was before I wrote those 19 lines of code. Like, it's not hard. Like, get there every night. Now that's over. Good to control the wild emotions. Yeah. I tweeted yesterday about how underutilized code is in retail trading. Code is so important. We talked about this morning too, but all the big boys are using coded algorithms. They all are. They're more complicated than mine, which is fine, whatever. But still, like, should be implementing some form of code into your trading. It does. It is amazing, and how much it helps. Like, because now, like, I'm not the guy going, what's everybody else doing right now? Everybody else is doing this, right? Oh my gosh, look, they're trying to draw a support line. They're trying to draw a canal here. Oh my gosh, look, I drew this like shit. Like, oh my gosh, SPY trading this channel. I'm going to buy off the low here, and it's going to bounce. But what the fuck do these actually mean, though? Like, these don't mean anything. You're not even looking at the right screen, but at least you got to still see me draw the lines. Like, what? These don't mean shit. Like, there doesn't. Oh, you drew lines on your screen. Like, do you have any kind of proof of what those lines mean? No, you don't. You just drew some lines, and like, now you're gonna hope. That's what SPY bounces off of. Like, that's what everybody else without code is doing, right? Just drawing lines and hoping it sticks. Hey, look, butterfly wings. And once again, for the 1,000th time, technical analysis isn't useless at all. But, I mean, what I'm doing is still technical analysis. It's price action. It's almost, actually, no, it's all price action. Other than the SMA. It does use an SMA, so there's some technical in there. But, you just want to be making sure that you're using technical analysis that has proven edges, right? Not just technical analysis, just for the sake of technical analysis, if that makes sense. Once again, I mean, yeah, I'm using price action and some semblance of technical analysis. I mean, it's not useless, but you don't want to just be on the fly technical analysis, right? Like randomly just drawing shit and like, I don't know. You need to be drawing and testing proven shit, right? All you have to do is count candles to prepare for trading. Or you can just have this. I mean, you can have this study if you wanted to. This study that shows you. I don't even have to do anything. I just have to look at these lines to know where the algo is looking. By the way, SPY is just ripping face. SPY is just ripping absolute face. I'm not gonna lie, a rip like this kind of makes me just want to call it for the day. A rip like this makes me think that, like, when this thing rolls over, it's gonna roll over harder, like it did yesterday. Kind of makes me just want to take my $50. I'm not gonna lie. Seeing this kind of push, seeing how crazy strong this push is, and already having a $50 day, it's nothing crazy. Which is, by the way, it's the fact that I'm saying that is crazy, because even 3 weeks ago, $50 was my profit target, and I was stoked to hit it. Now, already, I'm like, yeah, it's an okay day, $50. But seeing how strong this is, like, I just feel like it's gonna be another one of those days like yesterday, where we don't get nice chop all day. Strategy definitely does a lot better with chop. And yesterday, it didn't. It went up, down, up, and like, look at how the algorithm still made money yesterday, funnily enough. But look at how, like, it struggled with, like, some of these huge pullbacks. It struggled, right? And with it ripping again like this, it makes me feel like that's definitely a potential to happen here. Is we're going to get another, like, big down move, big up move, la 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 kind of stuff. Alrighty, so those are the ends of the live trades that I took today. Along with a little bit of extra there on the end, I actually gave you all my updated code. I will go ahead and put that in the comment section down below as well. It's easier to just copy and paste it, of course, into your strategies. If you don't know, if you haven't seen the other video, you're going to want to take that code, edit studies, strategies, create, paste the code into there as a strategy, add it to your chart, and then you will be able to see where this thing is taking trades as well, just the same as I am. So, also at the end of that video, you know, I kind of said, I don't think I'm going to take any more trades today. It's only 12:17 right now, but it's St. Patrick's Day. March Madness literally just tipped off 2 minutes ago. So it's one of those days. I'm going to go have fun today. I'm going to take off trading. I'm not into sitting here and trading all day necessarily. But at the end of the video, I did talk about how I thought this pullback might be relatively large upcoming after this huge rip. And I was correct in that. The pullback was large. And the strategy did lose a little bit of money during that, although it held up okay. But now look at it. The strategy is now up $241. And I know it's like, well, Trey, you could have traded that. You could have. I know, once again, I just wanted to take off today. I can't sit here every day. I had stuff to do, went to the gym, come back, March Madness, St. Patrick's Day. I'm not going to sit here and trade anymore today. I just don't want to. But it's nice to see the strategy still crushing. That's insane. And once again, getting this strategy automated so that I don't have to sit here and I can still be up $227 on days like this is something we are definitely working towards. Don't expect it tomorrow. It's a lot to learn. But it's something I'm working towards, slowly making progress on getting this automated. So $54 day today on 2 trades. Really, really nice, simple day. I said in that video too, if you guys have been around the channel for a while, I mean, just even like 3 weeks ago, $50 was the goal, and it was like I struggled to, sometimes I got to $50, and like that was my goal that I struggled to get to. Now it's like, oh, I took 2 trades, la-di-da. His code has helped me so much, it's insane. But let's go ahead and pull up the trading view stats. As I said earlier, this was day 14 of using the strategy. As you can see, 100% win rate, and we're just ticking genuinely in the correct direction here, right? From left to right, we are going up. That's what you want to see. In the last 14 days, we are up $511. That's exactly what you want to see. Click to the details, 68% win rate. Our average daily gain loss, 36.56. Other stats in here if you want to look. Scroll through these if you want to look quickly. But yeah, this is a nice simple day for me today. You guys got my updated code in this video, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you used that. Once again, is in the comment section down below. You got some kind of walkthrough there as well about my thought processes and how code is so useful and so underutilized by retail traders, and how much this has helped my trading only 14 days into it. Look at how much it's helped my trading. It's absolutely insane. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are continuing to enjoy watching my live trades from this new mechanical ledge. If you are, hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out today's video. I will catch you all in the next one.